Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you my little Sephora unboxing. I'm excited to share with you guys this Sephora haul. There's actually a lot of items in this box, but it's honestly really sad that this much money went into this little box. I always get so surprised when I order makeup. A lot goes out of my wallet and you get this in return, but I'm sure it's packed because I know I ordered a lot of stuff. I'm excited to share with you guys what I picked up. So you want to see everything I picked up for my little Sephora haul, definitely keep watching. Alright guys, so this is mostly from the Sephora sale, I will say. Some things I don't think I picked up on sale, but most of the stuff is, and I just haven't had a chance to film this video. But because it's a recent sale, most of the items are obviously still available, so I will link down below what I can find if they're still available. So hopefully you can pick some of the stuff up too. And I will say a lot of it would be amazing gifts. I'm hoping that this helps you guys out as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I honestly have not taken a look at all of the products. And before I get started, I'm going to sadly take a couple things out because some of these are gonna be surprise gifts for my kids and I don't want them to see this occasionally, just occasionally. They will watch some parts of my videos. So if you guys are watching, turn away or hang on a minute, let me take out some things I'm going to give to you. All right, so I think it's just a couple of things that I wanted to take out here. Let me go ahead and find them. Okay. All right, so I sifted through here. I took out what I wanted to, but yes, I did order quite a bit of stuff, although it's hard to tell in this little box. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and, what should I do? Maybe try to pull out some of the little meager samples that I got. So they gave me the Tatcha Longevity Serum and the Chanel Chant samples. So I'm just thankful. I don't really use these, but occasionally I will, especially the little perfumes, I will travel with them. So, oh, I'm excited about this one. I will use this for sure. I like this fragrance. So I got those. And then I got a little birthday gift. So my birthday was in November and I decided to pick the House Labs by Lady Gaga, little beauty insider birthday gift. So I do like the birthday gift choices usually. I don't know, these looked really nice. I wanted to try the House Lab stuff. Ooh, it's kind of small, but I think this is like a little illuminizer or something. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Look at that color, bam, that's really pretty. Yeah, I'm excited to use that. Here's the packaging, and then I really want to try the lip product. I didn't know it was this small. Look how small it is. But I will try that. A lot of you have given me some feedback in other videos about how much you like the House Labs products. And I really haven't tried them before, so I thought this was a good opportunity. All right, so now into the stuff that I got. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I think I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out because, I don't know. This is how this came packaged. So I got a bunch of little products there for the brows and eyes, which I'll share later, but let me pull the big stuff out. I wanted to try the, let's see, the On Till Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. I think this is talked about a lot, and I use setting sprays. I have the Dior one, which I cannot use on the regular. It's too pricey for me, but I do have it. I use the, I've tried the Urban Decay one, all-nighter setting spray, and then I also currently am using the Charlotte Tilbury one. Love them all, but I heard this is really good at its mattifying, so I decided to go for the big bottle. I will let you guys know what I think about it, but that looks really nice. I'm excited to try that. And then I picked up a refill of my Unseen Sunscreen SPF 50. I always get this every season, as you'll see, because I wear this under my makeup. And it's a little bit of a primer as well, but you need to wear sunscreen. As you guys know, I'm an oncologist, so sun protection is super important, especially, you know, against skin cancers, melanomas, things like that. So definitely use sunscreen. My favorite is this right now. It goes well, I would say, under makeup. I use it every single day. All right, and then I picked up a couple more Touchline. I always pick these up because I love these. So whenever we travel, especially, which is basically every day, even on the weekends, like day trips, I take a Touchline, and I also take, I definitely recommend, and I will try to link those below, a little, I think it's called Aloe hand wipes that I get on Amazon, but it's It's antibacterial hand wipes in individual packs. I get those, so that's amazing. I can easily just like dish them out to my kids before we eat and things like that when we're out. So I love those. I will link them below. Definitely recommend those. But sometimes you don't need a full wipe. You just want a little spray. And these smell really nice. So I always stock up on these. So I restocked a Velvet Peach, which is one of my favorites. And then I also I'm gonna try this new one. So these Gentle Mist ones are supposed to be a little bit more soothing, I think. Yes, that's what it says here. So ultra soothing hand sanitizer. So I wanted to try the Lily of the Valley green one. Haven't tried it, so I'm excited too. This is a little more pricey than the originals. And I think it's the same amount of product. Yeah, they're both 1 ounce, so we'll see if it's worth it. But I have tried, I think the Rose one or Rose one? Rose Glow, something like that it's called, I think, or Glow Screen. I don't know. I think I'm mixing up Supergoop and Touchland, but the Rose Little Glow one, I think it's called something like that, from Sephora. I picked it before, which I do like. I do think it is moisturizing. I don't know if it's a lot more moisturizing than the originals, but I wanted to try that new fragrance. And then I wanted to try this Innisfree product. It's the Green Tea Caffeine Bright Serum. It's a little eye roll-on. Okay, so as you guys can probably tell, my issues with eye bags or under eye swelling has been real lately as I get older and more tired and lose sleep. So I was looking for eye products. I think the Glow Recipe one was highly recommended in addition to this little Innisfree one. So this is a green tea caffeine one that's supposed to kind of just help with under eye bags. And what I liked about it is, look at this little tip. So it's supposed to, I'm not gonna put it on now because I have makeup on, but you just roll it under your eye. I thought it was just great for travel. I love the little metal tip. So I definitely want to report back on this one because this is a new skincare product that I'm excited to try out too. All right, so this is gonna go into some calendars for the holidays. So every holiday time for the month of December, I make little advent calendars for my kids. So when they were babies and just born, we purchased one for each of them, and it's a wooden, really nice quality advent calendar, and they have little boxes for every day of the month. So I intended to have like a little candy and like a little toy, like $1, $2, $3 toy in them. Over the years, as my kids have gotten older, they don't want to get rid of my calendars. They still want to have them, but the price of the calendars has exponentially skyrocketed as they get older, obviously, because their tastes change. So I need little things like this that I can shove into the drawer. So I'm going to use this as well for the calendars. That's going to be a fun little treat. I love this. I was happy I got the set. Usually this set, I think, sells out pretty quickly. So I was excited to get those. I think it's still available. And then for myself, I got the full size stuff. So I got the Summer Fridays limited edition fragrances, I think. All right, so in this set, there's 2 limited edition products, which I wanted to try, which is the lip butter balms. So it's the roasted marshmallow and the hot cocoa. And then you get a little jet lag mask, which honestly I haven't tried. So I'm excited to try all of these. So I wanted to get this little kit to try out for myself. I really do like these formulas. I know these went viral for a while. They're probably not as popular anymore because the stock is definitely still available. But I wanted to get this. I'm gonna use this right away. I like this kind of brown lip. What I have now is the Merit lipstick in this like dark kind of browner color. So yeah, I'm excited to try it, especially the hot cocoa. So I'm gonna give that a whirl. I got 2 hair products. So the first is a restock. So I love the Jisoo hair oil. So I'm not gonna open this right now because I have other ones that I'm still trying to work through from my other Sephora sales, but I decided to restock this large one. I was gonna get the gift set, which has, there's a couple different sets offered, I think, with the hair fragrance and then some of the lip oils. I've gotten those before, as you see if you watch these videos, so I still have them. So I said, all right, let's just get the product that you really want. Sometimes you try to get the gift sets because they're better values, but then you don't use all the products. But I definitely use this. So I decided, let's just get the actual product. So I got this. I love this. I think it really does moisturize your hair. It helps with flyaways. So I really like the scent too. So I'm happy about that. And then I wanted to get this literally because I saw it on one of my feeds. And those things really get me. Like, they know what you're searching for, and then they will put it in just like my email feeds. I'll see these products that you might like. So this came up and I'm a sucker for it. So I got this Briogeo Sweet to Slick Treat. It's an interesting name. It's supposed to be just a little hair stick to slick down your flyaways. So it came with this cute little cap with a little charm. So there's a little like lemon charm, I don't know if you can see that, but there it is there. So that's kind of why I got it. And then it's just a little purse, like thing for your hair that you can take with you. So I'm gonna use this. I love this little attachment because it could hang as a little like keychain. And honestly, why I got it too is my daughter is in the Nutcracker. Actually, both my daughters are, but my older one really likes to slick down her hair for the bun, so she wanted something like this. So I figured I would give this a try. I can use it as well. I have problems with that too, as I talked about. All right, and then I picked up several eyebrow and eyeliner products. So the brow products, I restocked on the Anastasia brow kit. So this comes, I think, with the brow gel and one of their brow wizzes. So I love this set because I think this is still my favorite brow product and I've tried a lot. I restocked on a couple of the Sephora ones because I know that these work well too, and they're really good value, and it was extra discount, as you guys know. So I got one of these, and then I got 3 eyeliners. I use eyeliner every single day too, so I like to restock. I got the Sephora one in brown for my under eyelid, and then the black for the top. I think these are good. They're not my favorite, but the price point is my favorite. It's definitely pretty inexpensive. So days where I don't need to have like a really great eye look, I can use those and good to go. And then I wanted to try this one. This is a little bit of my splurge eyeliner product. It's a Sarah Creole eyeliner product, and look at the packaging. It's really nice. Let's see if you can see that. But I like just like a dark eyeliner, and right now I have the Huda Beauty Kohl liner, which I think is pretty good too. Actually, probably should have bought another one of those. But this one is really luxe. I heard good things about it. Look at it. So pretty. Let's see what it is. Okay, so here's the line. It's super dark. And then, I don't know what's on the other side. Like a brush. But yeah, it's like a little brush on the other side. So that's nice. It's like a 2-in-1. This is a nice quality brush, actually. So I think this is one that you're going to have to sharpen. So I will see. I don't know how much product is in here. I will tell you in my future videos if I really think it's worth it. I will link it below too if you want to check it out. But I think it's going to leave like a really nice dark long wearing black line, which is really what I go for. All right, so that's that. So a lot of eyeliner and brow products, hair products, lip products, and some restocks. A couple surprises, but sorry, I'm not going to share with you guys. Maybe I'll share with you on a future video the things that I pulled out for surprises. All right, but I think that does it. This is my little Sephora haul. So a lot of fun stuff. I always feel like I spend a lot during these sales, and when you look at what actually comes, it's not a whole lot. But these little items really add up. So hopefully this video helps you guys so you know what I have my eye on. Let me know what you think about these products. Are any of these your favorites as well? Or what are some products you think I should try out? I'm always looking for new recommendations about beauty products. And as you can tell, I listen to you guys. I try out many products that you guys have recommended to me in the past. So thank you for that too. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.